Praise the Emperor, we meet again. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Lamentably, and today I need your help with something really exciting. That's right, I'm going to be diving into the world of 3D printing, and I've been excited for years about what kind of resin printer I'd be getting and what kind of different types of resin I'd be using, how to ventilate the house, how to ventilate the different kinds of PPE, what kind of PPE I would use. There's just one major catch. I'm not getting a resin printer. I'm going to be getting an FDM printer. Some of the reasons for which I can't personally control, but this is where I need your help. I'm looking for an FDM 3D printer. That's the one with like the funny plastic spools that feed into a nozzle. Like I said, all I've done for years is research resin printers, and I'm just as shocked that the opportunity to get an FDM printer has fallen into my lap as it is the fact that I'm not getting a resin printer. Admittingly, its primary use will not be for Warhammer and Dungeons and Dragons minis. It'll be for sturdy shop projects. So it's going to need to be something that can work with some sturdy filament, decorative filament. So ideally something that looks good and is sturdy, that can produce objects that can withstand being thrown against walls, some pressure. Obviously, if it's FDM, it's going to break if you try to bend it too much, but, something decently sturdy. And then miniature making will be on the side to the primary use of these support structures. So I have no idea where to start. Everything that I've been looking at has been through the lens of mini making. So I see the bamboo A1 looks real good. I've seen some ones by Creatively. Those look pretty good. But otherwise, I need a decision fast, and I don't have the time to do the kinds of thorough research into FDM printers that I've been doing into resin printers. So if you could please give me some ideas of what kind of considerations I should be looking into for buying an FDM printer, as well as printer recommendations, it would seriously be some major help for me. It would mean a lot. Well, hey everyone, thanks so much for your time. Thanks for listening. If you can help me out with this, I would be majorly appreciative. Thanks so much, everyone. Stay safe, party hard, and looking forward to working with you again here in the new year. Thanks, everyone. Bye.